welcome back to my channel. It is time to share with you the Walgreens breakdowns of the week for May 2nd through May 8th. So hopefully you guys can get some good deals. There is some decent deals. There is a couple things, and hopefully there's some more stuff that pops up on us this weekend so we can share some deals. So the first deal we have is the Kelloggs cereal for $1.88. You want to use $1 off a 2 digital coupon. We also had $2 off of 4 printable coupons, and there may be a digital for that also. But if you just buy the 2 boxes, it comes to be $2.76 or just $1.38 a piece. The next deal we have is the Scott's toilet paper or the paper towels. It also includes the Kleenex facial tissue. But those are all three of them are going to be $5. There is a $5 off or 50-cent printable, 50-cent off printable coupon on Scott brand where you can use for Scott tissue or Scott paper towels and Scott bath tissue. There also may be a Kleenex one. Otherwise, you can just go to the Kleenex brand, Kleenex website, and you can print off a 50-cent off coupon from there. But then there's also a $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's just there's booklets all around the store. You can ask the cashier for one. You can also clip that to your card. Usually, if you clip it to your card, you can only use that deal like one time that whole month, usually, but not always. Otherwise, I just like having the booklet because then I know the cashier will scan it. But your final price comes to be $3.25, which is a normal price. I did hear a rumor, and it's probably true, but I heard Kimberly-Clark will be raising their prices. So I bet you in the next couple months or so, I bet you these products will be $6. But we will see what happens. The next deal we have is the Tide Simply. They are 3 for $9. There may be some digitals, but as far as I know, I didn't see any digitals. But you'll end up paying $3. But then when you buy 3 or more participating products, you'll get a $3 register reward, making all 3 of them $6 or just $2 a piece. That sale is they are always on sale for $2 a piece. So in case you need some right away, go for it. But it's a sale that you don't have to run and get it because they're usually always that price. Now here's a deal, the Dial Body Wash. It is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll end up paying $4. But for the Dial Clean and Gentle, the Hypergena, whatever, I can't say the word all of a sudden, there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. You want to do that times 2. The regular Dial Ibotta rebate is gone. So you'll end up getting them for $1, 2 of them for $1. That's antibacterial. That's where you go. You'll end up getting them for $1 or 50 cents a piece. Now here's the deal. If you guys need dog food, it is the Purina Beneful dog food for $5.99. It looks like it's going to be like a buy one get one free coupon, so it'll be a $5.99 off a 2 digital coupon. So you'll get them basically for 2 bags for $5.99 or $2.99 a piece. So if you need some dog food or if you want to donate some, it's a pretty decent price. Now here is a deal for the Crest or Oral-B toothbrushes and toothpaste, $4. There's going to be supposedly a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you want to use. There is also our insert coupons for $2 if you want to use those instead. The $2 ones will actually be a better deal if you mix and match. But you'll end up paying $7 if you use the 5 off of 3 digital. You will pay $6 if you use the insert coupons. You'll get a $5 register reward, making them $2 or 66 cents a piece. But if you use the 3 paper coupons, it'll be $1 or 33 cents a piece. So it depends on what you want to do. I usually like to, if I have to pay out of pocket, I prefer to pay out of pocket for the toothbrushes more than the toothpaste. What we have is the Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. You want to use a 4 off of 3 digital coupon that we are getting. You end up paying $4.97. But then you will receive a $5 register reward, making the final price for free. I'm not sure if toothbrushes or mouthwash is included. It just says dental care, so we will see what is all on sale. Then we have the All or Snuggle laundry. the beads or the liquid. Here we got them for $2.88. You want to use a $1 off digital coupon, making your final price just $1.88. Now here is a deal that they had. They had a ton of the Unilever products where if you spend $30, you'll get a $10 fetch gift card. So basically what it is it gives you like a week or so to spend $30. Now it can be $30 before coupons are factored in. That's just how the receipts go with Walgreens. So you want to basically have $30 of product when you scan your receipt. Now you don't have to do it all at once. It does track what you buy. I've seen it where you guys can do this deal 3 times. So if you spend $90, you can actually get $30. But it's not just like a Walgreens gift card. It's a gift card of your choice. If you guys know the Fetch Rewards, you'll understand it. It just goes to points. So every 1,000 points is a dollar. So basically what you want to do is buy $30 of the Unilever brands and you'll get $10 gift card. If you guys are not sure what Fetch Rewards is, I do have a video down in the information below that shows it, and I have a referral link where you guys will get points when you redeem your first, or when you scan your first receipt. So just want to give you guys a heads up with that deal. The next deal we have is the Venus or Gillette razors. They range from $10.99 to $19.99, but we're going to do the $10.99 one. There's going to be a $3 off digital coupon, making you guys pay $7.99. Then you will receive a $5 register reward, making them $2.99 if you need to do that deal. Otherwise, there is another Venus deal where you for $9.99. You want to use that $3 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying $6.99, but you will receive a $4 register reward, making them $2.99. Now, these are 2 different deals that you can do. So you can do them in one transaction and both of them will print. And then the last deal we have is the Poise for $5.99. It's probably also going to be included is the Depends, the Ladies Depends, like a 3-pack. Those are going to be $5.99 also. You want to use a $3 off digital coupon, or we have some insert coupons for that. But then there is a $2 off Walgreens coupon, it looks like, making your final price just 99 cents. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Usually if I get a deal where if I spend like $15 of Poise products, so that's 3 products right there, I'll get like a couple dollars of a bonus. So that is it. That is what is on sale for Walgreens May 2nd through the May 8th. Hopefully there's some better deals that pop up when we go shopping on Sunday. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.